I'm sure you've heard the news. Change is happening all around us, every single day. It's in the headlines, in our conversations, and in the very fabric of our lives. Change is the only constant. So, why fight it? Embracing change can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Change is everywhere. Seasons shift, technology evolves, and our lives are in a constant state of flux, and we grow. Resisting change? It's like trying to stop the tide with a teacup. Impossible. Change is a force of nature, unstoppable and inevitable. But here's the good news. Embracing change can open doors you never knew existed. It's the secret ingredient to growth, both personal and professional. Accept it, and you can shape it to work for you. Think of it as a tool, a resource that you can harness to your advantage. Think of change as a friend, not a foe. It brings new opportunities, fresh perspectives, and the chance to reinvent yourself, and endless possibilities. The sooner you accept it, the sooner you can start working with it. Embrace the unknown and let it guide you to new heights. So, why resist? Embrace change and watch your world transform. Remember, the best way to predict the future is to create it. So, take the leap and let change be your guide.